What does Christmas look like in Panama? I'm in Panama City right now. And if you wanted to see what Christmas looks like, check this out. Very, very busy place. It's a massive boardwalk in Panama City, and it's quite the hustling, bustling place. Very, very busy spot. A lot of vendors. So this is Christmas in Panama. A lot of street vendors. If you're hungry, for 50 cents, $1, you could get a lot of yummy food. Walking through the boardwalk when the sun's going to be going down. Pretty epic. I ain't gonna lie, this stuff smells good. You know how to trap a Polish guy. You start doing roast sausages and roast pork and mango, apples, man, you name it, they got it. And these smells are incredible. Dog violence in the park. This skyline is incredible. I was talking to one of the locals about the skyscrapers, why there's so many skyscrapers here, and he told me that a lot of Colombian money laundering going in and building these skyscrapers, which looks a little bit like South Miami to me. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but there's extreme wealth here and extreme poverty. I guess all South American countries are the same. Sorry, not the same. What I like about this place is they got a bike path. You could rent bikes and cruise around, or rollerblades. Temperature right now is about 32 Celsius. Nice breeze. Man, this stuff smells so good. I had Christmas dinner at my friend's place. I can't eat anything. I just had grilled octopus. But man, oh man, this stuff smells good. It's on every corner. $1 here, $1 there, and you're full. Slushies. Hamburgers. I hope you're liking these videos. I know sometimes when I'm at home and it's super cold, I like to be inspired by certain YouTube videos. There's another way to live than in the freezing cold. But if you're thinking of coming to Panama, I think this place has got almost anything and everything to offer. You know, like if I've never been to Panama. I've been to Costa Rica once, but this place is definitely growing on me. Just, there's a party bus, and everybody's just dancing away and having a great time. But like an hour from here, I was in an indigenous village in the middle of nowhere and drove into Old City. The amount of things you can do in one day in Panama on a budget. So if you're budget conscious, my entire day, and that's going to an indigenous village, that's bringing them gifts and fruits and vegetables, paying my guide, giving a tip. I went to the old city of Panama, had a grilled octopus, plus I had coconut water, my gas and everything. It cost me altogether, my day, full expenditures, is $100 American, $135 Canadian. Like, you can't beat that. I don't think anybody can. So if you're on a budget and you want to do a lot of things, I have no stake in the game. Just want to show you there's different possibilities. And the wonderful thing about Panama, it's so multicultural. All ethnicities are here. Everybody blends in. And as far as I can see, everybody's just getting along. Thanks for watching. I gotta find my rental car. I did lose it twice today because I just keep on going on these adventures. So I'll let you go. I gotta go up into the mountains and go to my friend's place for Christmas dinner. Looking forward to that. And thanks for watching. And stay tuned. I'm gonna upload some more videos.